Hi everyone, it's Chris at Gardening Express here, and I've got with you today an Acer Palmatum Firecracker. If you're looking for a Japanese maple, you want something a bit special, go for this one. This will form kind of like a weeping mushroom kind of shape over time. All these branches just keep growing out. It's got this fine, sort of almost delicate looking wispy filigree foliage, but don't let that deceive you. It's quite tough, quite hardy and reliable. Take temperatures down to -20 in England, so these grow really well in the soil, really tough. You've got this beautiful Firecracker red foliage on the new growth early in the year. Branches underneath, worth pointing out, that foliage is shaded, so that's gone a sort of a darker sort of greenish colour, but this just mushrooms and the whole thing will be red, especially if it's in sort of a bright position. Try and avoid full sun if you can. The midday sun can burn these leaves, so if you've got a partially shaded spot, even better. Other than that, just a really fantastic tree. I like them sort of dotted around in patio planters as well. Next to a pond weeping down, this would be a wonderful specimen. And yeah, you've just got this wonderful filigree foliage. Now, come autumn, what you can do with these is just enjoy butter yellow to scarlet red foliage. That depends on the weather, but if we have got a good temperature year, you normally get this kind of purple red turns to a bright red sort of scarlet before fading to orange, and buttery yellow before dropping, so you get that season of colour as well and interest. So all in all, really great, good value tree for the garden. Compact, keep it under control, it's not going to grow into a monster, and it just looks wonderful. So, you know, highly rated Japanese maple. You can see why it's one of the best sellers out there. So that is the Japanese maple Acer Palmatum Firecracker.